Am I the only one who didn't know how easy it is to create your own cryptocurrency? Let's break it down. Start with a groundbreaking idea. Identify a problem or opportunity in the market. Gather your dream team of developers, marketers, and advisors. Next, create a detailed white paper outlining your project's goals and technology. Choose a blockchain like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or CRO. Then, design and create your token. Time for smart contract development. Write self-executing contracts with the terms of your agreement. Don't forget alpha and beta testing. For funding, consider ICOs, IEOs, STOs, private funding, or even mining. Sell tokens to investors, get listed on exchanges, and start marketing. Launch your network and transition from testnet to mainnet. Post-launch, focus on community building, partnerships, continuous development, and scalability solutions. Ensure regulatory compliance and expand your ecosystem. Remember key concepts like tokenomics, consensus algorithms, and governance. Platforms to consider: Crypto.com, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, Solana, and Cosmos. Subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Stay tuned for more crypto insights.